Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about KMU-CAT second test 2025 chemistry MCQs part 1c. Dear students, if you need MCQs for KMU-CAT test preparation, let me know in the comment section. Dear viewers, अभी तक अगर आपने मेरा YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। अगर आप KMU-CAT टेस्ट के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है। इस वीडियो को आखिर तक ज़रूर देखें। शुक्रिया। Translation results in a product known as option A protein, B tRNA, C mRNA, and option D rRNA. So the correct option is A protein. Explanation is translation converts mRNA into polypeptide chain, which means into proteins. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from a technologist. So this is very important MCQs. Initiation of protein synthesis requires option A ATP, B AMP, option C GTP, and option D GTP. So the correct option is D GTP. GTP is required for the formation of the ribosomal initiation complex. In humans, purines are catabolized to uric acid due to lack of the enzyme. Option A uricase, B uricase, C xanthine oxidase, and option D guanine. So the correct option is B uricase. Most mammals have uricase to break down uric acid further, but humans lack this enzyme. The most likely lethal mutation is option A substitution of adenine for cytosine, option B insertion of one nucleotide, B option C deletion of 3 nucleotides, and option D substitution of cytosine for guanine. So the correct option is B insertion of one nucleotide. Frame shift mutations, insertion or deletions disrupt the reading frame shift, one causing non-functional proteins. So this is very important MCQs. A nitrogenous base that does not occur in mRNA is option A cytosine, B thymine, C uracil, and option D all of these. So the correct option is B thymine. mRNA has uracil instead of thymine. In nucleotide, phosphate is attached to the sugar by option A salt bond, B hydrogen bond, C ester bonds, and option D glycosidic bond. So the correct option is C ester bond. The phosphate group forms a phosphodiester bond with the sugar 5' hydroxyl group. Cyclic AMP can be formed from option A AMP, B ADP, C ATP, and option D all of these. So the correct option is C ATP. So this is very important MCQs. In DNA, the complementary base of adenine is option A guanine, B cytosine, C uracil, and option D thymine. So the correct option is D thymine. Adenine pair with thymine and DNA. In DNA, 3 hydrogen bonds are formed between option A adenine and guanine, B adenine and thymine, C guanine and cytosine, and option D thymine and cytosine. So the correct option is C guanine and cytosine. Guanine and cytosine pairs have 3 hydrogen bonds, while adenine and thymine pair have 2 hydrogen bonds. Nuclear DNA is present in combination with option A histone, B non-histone, C both A and B, and option D none of these. So the correct option is C both A and B. DNA is packed with histone nucleosome and non-histone proteins. The number of guanine and cytosine residues is equal in option A mRNA, B tRNA, C DNA, and option D none of these. So the correct option is C DNA. Chargaff's rule: guanine pair with cytosine and DNA. Alkalis cannot hydrolyze. Option A mRNA, B tRNA, C rRNA, and option D DNA. So the correct option is D DNA. RNA is alkali labile due to 2 hydroxyl group. DNA is resistant. In mammals other than higher primates, uric acid is converted by the kidneys. Option A oxidation to allantoin, B reduction to ammonia, option C hydrolysis to ammonia, and option D hydrolysis to allantoin. So the correct option is D hydrolysis to allantoin. Non-primate mammals convert uric acid to allantoin via uricase. Dear students, if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें. So this is very important MCQs. Gout is a metabolic disorder of catabolism of dash. Option A pyrimidine, B purine, C alanine, and option D phenylalanine. So the correct option is B purine. Gout result from impaired purine metabolism leading to the accumulation of uric acid. Thank you for watching my videos.